Welcome to the Configure HSM store presentation, setting up our stores. So we talked about schemas in a separate demonstration, but to set up stores is what we're going to focus on today. So here we can see our local stores, our cloud stores, which are all directly connected obviously with our schemas. Here we can create and attach a store. Let's have a quick glance at the media store types. We've got our cloud storage media as well as local storage media. You can see IBM, we've got Jukebox, hard disk, network share is fully supported, obviously other cloud connections there as well. But let's take a simple path today just to show you exactly what that looks like, setting up a new media store. We'll call that test 1. We can set up the path for the media store, which again is going to be local, just on the local disk. We'll have a look inside the Metalogix folder, and there we've already got a 12-month store folder ready for this. We'll click OK. And now we can also allow a special feature called multiple saving. That means we can write into 2 types of storage media simultaneously. So in parallel, that could be into the cloud, it can be locally, wherever you want that to be. We're going to keep it local for now. Let's go inside a new folder and we'll call that one 12-month backup. Click OK. So now we're writing into 2 folders simultaneously. So you've got an instant backup of everything that's being archived. We can also add additional retention time support should you require that. Almost finished. The only thing we need now is to set the relative speed of the store, and if you want to use the HSM cache read operations feature, you can do that as well by checking the box. Finished. Very simple, very easy. Let's click restart. And now we can see our store is there, our test 1 store. We can see the server it's associated with. Let's just check one more thing as well before we move ahead. And that could be mirroring. So we can set up an instant mirror of that specific store. So that means a mirror into Azure in this case, into the cloud, or a mirror onto my local storage media, which is called Exchange Store at the moment. I can pick and choose which one I want to take, but I'll go with Azure for now. Again, click yes. And there we can see Azure is now the mirror of test 1 at DemoArch. So very easy to set up mirroring using this store functionality as well. We can check our primary stores, or we can manage our stores. Of course, stores can only be managed, as you can see, if they're not already running. That's very important. And here we can see our Azure. Just a quick overview of that. We will discuss that in a cloud connection presentation, just to give you a quick overview of what that looks like. But let's go back and check. If we want to manage the store that we just created, we can do that as well. Here we can see the media store, what we just set up right now. And here we can decide, okay, do I want to keep that simultaneous, that parallel archiving, or would I like to deactivate it? If I do deactivate it, of course, I have to stop the store and restart it for those changes to take place. So please be aware of that when carrying out any modifications to existing stores. So that's an overview of local stores using the HSM